Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we will be discussing some basics about Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, this is the interface of Microsoft Excel sheet. So these A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, these are called as columns, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the left hand side, these are the rows. So for example, let this be a cell D4, so this is called a cell. Then C3 is also a cell. So a cell is denoted by its row as well its column location. So these rows can be combined also using the merge and center button. So as you can see, I have combined these columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H using the merge and center button. Now I can write anything and this will be merged. Then we can merge two rows also. So as you can see, I merged this A2 and A3 into one single cell. So similarly, I have merged this 6 and 7, A6 and A7 into a single. Then we can demerge also. So again, by clicking on merge and center, we can demerge. So as you can see, again demerge is there. Again, when I click on merge and center, then demerge. So this is the basics of Microsoft Excel. Now let us move to the second operation. So we have demerged this column also. Now how to automatic numbering. So just write 1, 2, 3 and just then drag. So it will automatically number the rows of the Excel. So just drag this, then automatically the the rows will be numbered. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So similarly we can number we can insert the numbers into the rows. Similarly we can insert the numbers into the columns also. So for deleting any row, just go to that row and click the delete button. Similarly, for deleting any column, just go to the top of that column and click on the delete button. So if you want to delete A, just go to A and click on the delete column button. Now let us know how to add the contents of a column. So let me just write some contents of the column. So first let us understand how to color. So just go to this color palette and we can color. So as you can see, I have colored this column using the color option. So we can give any color as per the color palette. So now let us give the red color also. So as you can see, let me give these columns a red color. So this is the green color. We can also give a red color also. So this is how we can color the row and column of an Excel. So just using the color panel. We can color the text also by clicking on the text and selecting the color that we want to color the column. So we can, in this way we can select any color of our text. So we can increase the text size also. So just uh, click on that top panel and where you can see the size. So in this way we can increase the size of the row also and of the column also. As you can see, I am increasing the size of the column. So we can make the column bigger or smaller. We can also make the row bigger or smaller. Suppose if we have to uh, write more data, then we can increase the size of the row. So this is a most basic tutorial which will help you to start with the Microsoft Excel. So we can delete any column also, as I shown you. Now let us try to use the color option. So if we want to add the contents of a row, then just go to the sum and go to A1 to A12. We want to add the numbers from A1 to A12. So as you can see, in this way we can add them. You have to just type equal to sum and bracket A1 to A12. Similarly, we can write equal to sum A1. So only A1 will be added. So this we have to type manually equal to sum for sum and the bracket. Then only this formula will be applied. Remember that. And sum should be in capital. SUM should be in capital. So if we want to suppose add A1, A2, A3 and A4, then we can write equal to sum bracket A1, A2, A3, A4. Similarly, we can add the row also. So just write equal to sum A1, A3, B3, C3, or A3 is to D3. That is to sign can also be used to add all the values. So as you can see, in this way we can add the numbers in a row or in a column. So addition really helps if you have a numerical data, but if you have alphabets, then those cannot be added. So as you can see, in this I have this alphabet, so we can insert rows also. So just click on right click and go to add new row or add new column, insert new row or insert new column. So as you can see, I have added one more name in that. So again click on insert and click on entire column. So as you can see, one column has been created to the left of the names. So we can insert the column on the left also or on the right also. Again we can create on insert row at the top. So in this way we can manipulate or modify our Excel sheet also. So if you have any doubt in this, you can post your comment in the comment box. This is a good tutorial for beginners, those who are starting in the Microsoft Excel. This is a very good tutorial for them. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubt in the comment box. So as you can see, I have created a Excel sheet of name, class, city, school, father name and so on. So I made this row larger to write the father name and the mother name also. So in this way we can easily create a Excel sheet full of color. We learned how to color the row also, we learned how to color the column also. We can use different colors for different rows. That will make our Excel sheet more easier to read also, and more attractive to see also. So if we want to make this bold, then just click on this B. At the top you can see we have this B. So we can click on this B to make it bolder. We can click on the U also to insert an underline, and we can change the size also by increasing or decreasing that number. So on the right hand side of Calibri you can see 24 and all. So if you increase that value, it will be increased, but you have to select the row whose element you want to increase. If you have not selected, then the size will not increase. Now suppose if we want to make this first row static, so that even if I move down, this first row should not go. So how to do that? So we can freeze the first row. So as you can see, when I have clicked on freeze, now even I am going down in my Excel sheet, that first row is freezed. Similarly, we can freeze the first column also. So this freeze is a very good option when we want to scroll the sheet, but we want the contents of the topmost row or the leftmost column to remain constant. So as you can see, I have freeze the first row, and here I have freeze the first column. So this is a very basic tutorial of Excel. So we can change the location of the data also. We can move it to be in between or at the top or at the below. So you can see I am moving the data at the center of the row. I can move the data at the top of the row also, or I can place the data at the bottom of the row also. So this name, it can move at the top also, it can move at the bottom also. Similarly, we can place in the middle also, we can place at the left also, or we can place at the right also by clicking on these buttons.